topic for discussion in particular video is 10 benefits of vitamin B complex supplements. With today's busy lifestyle, it's tough to get all the right nutrients from your diet. Vitamins are the cornerstone to health and well-being and contribute to the maintenance of all body's system. One of the most important vitamins is the B complex. Now, vitamin B complex is a healthy group of nutrients that can improve your overall health, including cognitive health and cardiovascular maintenance. If you are not getting enough vitamin from the B family, you may struggle with anemia, muscle scraps, depression, and hair loss. Again, proper vitamin B complex can help support immune health, preventing infections and maintaining a strong immunity, and can improve your overall health and reduce the frequency of illness. So it reduces the frequency of illness. Now, uh, let's discuss about this vitamin B again. The first thing here is carb breakdown. Now, vitamin B complex plays an important role in digestion and breakdown of simple and complex carbohydrates. Now, these values nutrients help to convert the carbs into energy and to break down fat molecules. When you aren't getting enough B vitamins in your diet, you can feel fatigue. Vitamin B complex helps to speed your metabolism, helping you to control your weight. The next point here is cardiovascular health. Now, if you are vitamin B6 and B12 deficient, you could you could end up with the higher level of homocysteine in your blood, which can increase your cholesterol. Homocysteine is an amino acid found in meat that can damage blood vessels when levels are too high. So vitamin B complex can help to strengthen vessels tissue and lower your risk of developing cardiovascular issues, including heart attack. The third advantage of here is nothing is more important than maintaining your overall health than getting the right amount of sleep. Most of your body's healing and rejuvenation happens while you are sleeping, and if you aren't getting enough rest, it could affect you emotionally. So, physical and mental vitamin B6 helps to regulate both metabolic and steroid production, which can affect the quality of your sleep. The fourth point comes here is regulates blood sugar. Now, for those that suffer from low blood sugar may have a vitamin B deficiency. Vitamin B3 is an essential part of a healthy insulin's production and plays an important role in maintaining proper blood sugar. So vitamin B1 and B2 can also help to regulate the type 2 diabetes. The next one is mood regulation. Now, over 40 million adults only in USA suffer from depression and anxiety. For those that suffer from depression, adding a vitamin B complex supplement can be helpful. Several of compounds in the vitamin B can help to improve mood and support your mental health. So vitamin B6 can found to be an effective antidepressant that can boost serotonin level and regulate the feeling of depression and anxiety. The sixth point comes here is support fetal development. Now, nothing is more important to expectant mother than the health of their child. So, taking care of their own bodies and making the proper nutrition can be crucial to fetal development. So, vitamin B9, also known as a folic acid, is an essential part of most prenatal vitamin programs. So, vitamin B plays a critical role in the health of fetal development and prevention of neurological disorder in infant. The seventh one comes here is reduce migration. Now, anyone that suffers from migraine knows the extreme pain and discomfort they can cause. So studies have proven that adding vitamin B to your routine can help to reduce the frequency and severity of your migration. The next come here is the eighth one come here is anti-aging properties. Now if you are getting the right nutrition and vitamin in your regular diet, you could be aging faster than you'd like. The compounds in the vitamin B complex supplement can help to boost the regeneration of body cell and reduce the inflation. So vitamin B5 helps promote healthy skin and collagen production. Vitamin B7 can improve your health of your hair and nails. With the right vitamin and nutrition, you can store the right useful growth. The next thing here is the last one, I suppose, boost cognitive powers. Now for those over the age of 50, maintaining a strong cognitive health is a priority. So adding a vitamin B complex supplement to your routine can help to reduce your risk of developing dementia or Alzheimer's disease. So if you're not getting enough vitamin B12, B in your diet, you could develop a deficiency. So like here are the some examples, like where you can get the vitamin B: whole grains, green leafy vegetables, avocados, eggs, pork, beef, fish, and nut and legumes. So this is all about today's video. Getting enough vitamin B in your diet can help you improve your cognitive function, improve your marriage life, strengthen your cardiovascular system, and help your migraines. So if you don't want to add vitamin B12 a complex supplement to your diet, check with your doctor about the doses that is right for you and take advantage of this health benefits. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this, please share and subscribe to Research Circle channel. Thank you so much and take care.